So guys, we have arrived Tanzania. Wow. Mainit. It's hot here. So, we need to... Ay, okay. Not allowed. Oh, we go up. Here's the plane. Good morning. Ang init dito, buti na lang kasi sa Dubai malamig. So, karating lang natin dito sa Zanzibar, Tanzania. And punta tayo sa immigration. So, ayan ang airport nila. Going inside. Nakapagod. Akyat ka pa. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog doon sa Dubai kasi para lang din naman nag-Dubai. Nakita nyo naman. Umalis ako ng 2:30 daling araw. So, time check 7 o'clock dito sa Zanzibar. Fully book ang eroplano ngayon. Daming tao. Grabe ba? Wow. So ito na, wala akong boses. Antok na antok kasi ako. Grabe yung pagod. So ayan. Malaki din naman pala airport nila. Ito sa Zanzibar Airport. Malaki din siya. Check natin mamaya. So guys, katatapos ko lang ng immigration. Ang haba ng pila. So advice ko lang kung pupunta kayo dito sa Zanzibar, better na before pa kayo pupunta dito, kailangan nyo nang kumuha ng e-visa. So mag-apply na lang kayo sa kanilang website. Ilagay ko lang dyan yung website nila. And then, of course, mandatory din yung insurance nila dito, which is ZIC, Zanzibar Insurance Corporation. So, doon lang kayo kukuha. Kung may insurance man kayo na sarili nyo, hindi yun applicable. So, hindi yun pwedeng gamitin. So, kailangan yung kumuha ng insurance nila. So, yung visa nila is around $50, single entry yun. So, valid for 90 days for other nationalities like Filipino. And then yung insurance nila nagkakahalaga ng $44. Yun yung price ng insurance nila. So online lang lahat. Tapos pagdating ko na immigration, baba yung immigration officer ang bayad, promise. Tapos nagtanong pa siya kung ano yung Tagalog ng good morning. So tinuruan ko pa. So mabait naman. After dito, the baggage claim. Pagkatapos ng baggage claim nyo, ang haba pa rin ng pila. May security pa palabas. Ayan ang pila. Ang haba. So ito yung airport. Madami ang airport nila. Yan. So dito bilihan ng SIM card. So nag-aantay na yung aking driver doon. So see you Zanzibar sa labas. So I just finished the security and now hanapin ko na yung aking where is my here. So nakita ko na si Jason. Hi Francis.
How are you?
Yeah, good. It's really crowded here, huh? It's really because there's too many people coming. But here also is the... it's nice there. So, ito yung airport nila, Abid Amani, Karumi International Airport. So, ayan, dito na yung sundo ko si Francis. Ayan. kasama siya. So yan na ang aming sasakyan. If you're looking for a tour, Francis is here in Zanzibar.
I welcome you with open arms.
Hakuna Matata. Yeah, Jumbo everyone.
Yeah. For the port.
So ang daming tourists dito, as in, so ang daming. So nakasakay na kami, papunta na kami sa Jambiani, right?
Yeah.
We're going to Jambiani.
Yeah.
So from the airport, it will take us like 1 hour and 20 minutes going there. So mas malapit kung Stone Town kasi yun yung parang capital city nila dito. So ayan yung lugar. Yung lugar nila is like Philippines lang din. Philippines have this road as well, the same.
The same.
Yes, actually very popular topic right now in Philippines. The roads.
But it's more hard to drive.
Yeah.
Because our road is didn't extend.
Yeah,
Now
it's not widened, no?
Yeah.
It's only like two-way, like this.
There are places, there are 2 ways. I mean, one way to go maybe.
Yeah.
I mean 2 ways.
Yeah.
They and the back.
Yeah, okay. But in Philippines we have roads that are, you know, like in one way it's like 2 lanes, 3 lanes.
Oh.
So it's more wide. But some of the roads are not good.
Okay.
Especially in Samar. I'm calling out Samar, sana maging maganda ng ating lugar, ating daan para mas maraming turista tayo. So ayan. We have also our driver. Who's the name of our driver today?
The name Hashir.
Hashib? Hashid?
Yeah. Hashir.
Hashid.
R-I.
Rashid.
Hashir.
Hashir.
Yes.
Okay, now I know. Hashir in Francis. What's your Muslim name?
Yasir.
Ha? Yasir?
Yasir.
Yasir.
My work name Francisco.
Yeah, because it's more easy.
Yeah.
Actually, we are even if you use your Muslim name, we are used to Muslim name because I'm staying in a Muslim country.
You have a lot of Muslim names.
A lot of Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Yeah, Abdullah. Abdurrahman. Ahmad. Yeah, Nasser, Yusuf.
Makame. You don't have Makame there.
Makame, no. That's like African name.
African name.
Yeah.
Small local here, Makame.
So ayan,
Do you
pupunta
like
kami.
the music a little bit?
No, it's okay.
It's local.
Because it will maybe just later because it will copyright the video. When I post, it will be copyrighted.
Yeah, okay.
Ayan, pupunta na kami. Pagod pa ako, puyat na puyat. See you later, guys. So now, guys, nakarating na kami sa Paje. So ito ay malapit sa Jambiani, kung saan ako nagstay. So magstay ako dito from Saturday to Wednesday, I think, Wednesday. And then after, pupunta kami ng Stone Town for the next 3 days. Kasi nga doon na ako mag-stay and then balik na sa airport. So ayan, lugar nila. Tara natin. Ganda. Lugar nila, simpleng buhay lang dito. Ganda. Simpleng buhay. So guys, I have arrived in the Money Lodge. Ito na yung aking stayhan. Yan, ang pool. Our driver, yes! Thank you for taking me here. The Money. So, ang ganda ng loob. May party dito pag Huwebes. So, dito yan sa Paje. Wow. Lagyan lang kanila. Oh, ganda oh. Oh. Saan ka pa niya may pool pa sila. Ganda ng place, diba? Karibu Demani Lodge. It's nice. So guys, andito na ako sa may sa aking istayhan sa dorm. So ito yung place. So ayan, ganyan yung setup nila. So isang ilaw lang yan. So sa labas yung toilet. So kasi nasa dorm ako. So tawag nito sharing. Okay, so fortunately mag-isa lang ako ngayon, so akin lang yung buong kwarto. So ayan, meron pa silang mga pabulaklak, so mamaya magkakalat yan. Ilalagay yan, isa lang yan nilagyan nila kasi nga ako nga lang yung guest dito ngayon, so wala naman tao dito. So perfect, at least, 'di ba? So walang AC dito, open yung kanilang mga ganyan. So electric fan lang na malaki sa harap ko pa. Mayroon pala isa dito, dalawa. So stay ako dito from today Saturday until Wednesday. So that is 24 today to 28, 4 nights. So ang binayaran ko around 260 dirhams. Yun. So, mura naman. Tapos may swimming pool sa labas. Mamaya papakita akong swimming pool sa inyo. Maganda din. Okay? See you! So, ito yung sa labas guys. Meron siyang higaan na mga ganyan. So, ayan yung kanilang restaurant. Diyan. Ito yung swimming pool. Diba? Swimming pool sila. Ligo tayo mamaya dyan. Ito naman, kung gusto mo magtambay dun sa taas, meron din. May mga ganyan. Tapos dito naman yung CR. Yung restroom nila. Ito ginagawa pa nila bago. Diba? So kung pupunta kayo dito, make sure na magdala kayo ng mga ng mga insect repellent. So may wala namang kaso ng malaria. Pero syempre may mga lamok-lamok din kasi forest to dito sa kanila eh. Kahit naman saan maraming may puno dito kasi isla to eh. So better na magdala kayo ng mga insect repellent just for protection na lang din. Okay. So ayan ang lugar, 'di ba? Maganda naman ang lugar. So sulit din naman sa amount. So every Thursday dito mayroong party. Thursday. So dyan, maraming tao to dito pag Thursday. Kaya nga lang, Wednesday alis na ako, so hindi ako makakapag-party dito. Diba? Maganda naman ang lugar. Napaka-nature. Oh, meron pa yan papunta doon, marami pa yan. Maya ko na yan explore. So, ayan. So guys, again, nakatulog ako kanina. Pahinga ako, nakakapagod eh. So, I'm going to Paji Cave right now. 11 minutes walk from my hostel. So ngayon sa kalsada nila lalakad. Malapit lang naman, lakarin ko na lang. So, kasi yung closing nila doon is around 5 PM. So kailangan kong makarating doon ng oras na ngayon, 3 o'clock na. So 1 hour na lang, 2 hours na lang. So 1 hour stay doon. So yan, lapit lang din naman, nakaring ko lang siya. So kasi ngayong araw wala akong tour, so naghanap ako kung saan ako pwedeng makapag lakad-lakad. So Paji Cave yung nakita ko. So tayo doon ngayon, mahangin. See you guys. Ayan, Paji Cave. Ang layo ng nilakad ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung Paji Cave. Banda. Sa masukal ang daan dito. Layo ng nilakad ko. Masukal ang daan dito. Tapos, walang tao. Yan oh, yun yung dadaanan mo. Better kung may sasakyan ka papunta doon. Wala kang sasakyan. Mahirap. Nakakatakot. So, just your guts and instinct lang talaga. Labanan lang ng Corsonada. So ayan. Tingnan natin kung saan talaga yung Pudgy Cave na yan. Ay, ito na ata. Pudgy Cave. Ito na. Pudgy Cave and Lake. Ito na ata yun. Pasok tayo dito. Ha? Takot naman. Walang katao-tao. Walang tao. Hello! Walang tao. Ay, ito na ata kasi mayroong helmet oh. Ito na ata yung pinuntahan ko. Pagsikip na ito. May mga manok. Nakita ko rin to. Parang ito na ata. Hi! Hi, your place very hard to find. Hi. This is Pudgy Cave? Oh my god. It's just very hard to find. You have someone English? I will stay here, ah. So ayan ang lugar. So yung mga helmet. Ito na nga siya. Walang tao ngayon. Hindi pa siya masyadong known. So ako pa lang ang dito ngayon. Ang layo ng lakad ko. Tingnan niyo naman. Pawis na pawis ako. Naka-sunscreen yan. Siyempre, mainit. Kapagod. Opo nga. Okay guys, I have this here, Mr. Saeed. Okay, so this is the office of the Pudgy Cave.
Yeah.
So better if you come, you need to take a tuk-tuk because it's very far inside.
Yeah.
I was almost lost. And yeah, the price is $10.
$10 or 25,000 shillings.
25,000 shillings. So they will take you to a cave and
Yeah. So this $10 or 25,000 shillings is include the life jacket, the helmet for protection,
okay.
and also you can have swimming mask.
But I said that I will not going to swim today. But if you want to swim in the cave, that is
sometimes
included.
the people they go down the cave because the stone is a little bit sharp. We sell them these shoes.
Yeah.
If you also want you need this, you can buy this. It's good.
But this one,
Pretty well.
I think this one will hold.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because we have
Crocs.
different color and size if you want, and also we have this one.
Yeah.
Is a mobile case.
Yeah.
If the people that want to take a picture down the cave.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So that's it.
So you need to, we recommend the people to grab the calendars
Yes.
because
It's very important because yes. Yeah, there are stalactites, stalagmites, so that's very important.
Yeah. So what color do you prefer? Which color do you prefer?
I'm wearing blue.
Blue.
So blue.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
This one will fit me.
Will fit you, of course. I'm sure it will fit you. This is a large size. I know you have big brains, that's why you have big head here.
Let's see.
So it will fit you. This way.
Yeah, it's on the other side. Okay. Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
You look nice.
Yes.
So the next thing is we just take this one in case if you want to put something here, and also we have three lockers here if you want to put something.
Lockers, okay. So lockers, and then you have this bag.
Yeah.
Need to leave. So what things I can bring inside? Camera, this camera,
So you can take your cameras
and cell phone.
and your phone you can take.
That's it.
For you, you don't like to swim there,
Yeah.
but if you like to swim, maybe you want to change. We have next building there is for changing clothes.
Okay, sure. But I will not swim for now. It's kind of scary. Nakakatakot yung cave, pero kung malakas ang loob mo, okay lang. So,
Okay, so you ready
yeah.
to pay?
See you guys.
So this torch.
So this is the start of the
Okay,
cave.
so we're going to inside the cave. You are welcome.
Yes,
In
thank you.
Swahili, welcome is karibu.
Karibu, yeah. It's like Karibu de money there.
Karibu deman, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Ashanti.
asante.
Asante.
Yeah, asante sana.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we found this cave,
Mm-hmm.
the entrance was there.
Oh, it's really
It's
small.
very, very narrow. But you should to crawl in order to get in.
Okay.
But we found good access to get in. We
Yes.
just dig this way
Oh.
and come to look. It is a very nice. If you look down there, it's a very, very nice.
Yeah.
And there is a lot of stalactite, stalagmite. That's why we just living there because it's beautiful. We didn't want to destroy any kind
Yeah.
of.
It's good because it's nature.
This is nature. But also here, there is something to learnings. Is about the rock. So this rock is quite different. If you look this and this is a very
Yeah. This one is somewhat like
look over there.
there are some crystals.
Some crystals, of course. Look over there. And also is the difference.
Yeah.
So this is a three kind of rock. So this is a limestone rock. So this basically locals they use for building materials. And this one is the sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary.
Yeah. This is very hard rock. And also there, if you look there, the rock with a lot of pimples like teenagers.
Yeah.
So this is a volcano.
Like a teenager.
Like a teenager. Look over there. There is small creatures.
Uh.
You can see over there.
Yeah.
Some people they think it is a termite or the
Termite?
ant.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but this is a bird nest.
Bat nest. Okay.
So this is a sparrows.
Oh. That's nice.
Yeah. Also, my friend, he's inside the cave. You can see a lot of soil, but no vegetation in this. You know why? Because this soil has no oxygen and waters. Has lack oxygen and waters.
Okay.
That's why if you look outside there, it's a little bit green because we just breaking outside and the water is coming inside. That's why it's green. So the soil is
Okay.
starting to activate it. But here,
Nothing.
no any kind of vegetation. We just created this way down for the bat.
Okay, for the bats only.
Yeah, it's for the bat.
So, but people not allowed.
The people is allowed to go and look the bat. But we go, we don't want to disturb them. That's why we didn't put any kind of light and we use red light bulbs.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Where I will. One second.
Also, this place is supporting life. You know why? Because the water is everything and we have waters here. Look, there is the waters here. That's why the bats, during night, they go outside to find the food. And during the day, they come here and they sleep. Okay, you look the bats there?
Yeah,
They
can
just
see.
fly now.
There's a,
You can go quiet. And you can see the bat.
there's a lot of them.
Yeah, a lot of them. And they are somewhere there. You see there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the pool. This is from the bat.
Yeah, there's many. There's many creatures.
So many creatures here.
Yeah.
And also there is a lot of stalactite, stalagmite.
Mm-hmm.
And also if you look up there, you can see how the big of the cave.
Yeah.
and so many rock.
It is.
And also you can come here.
What is there?
There is a shine rock.
Huh?
Shine rock.
I'm so afraid now going there.
You are afraid?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we just go back?
You can go back.
Yeah. There's many insects crawling. It's just amazing, no? How Earth is so deep, how
Yeah.
nature was made.
Yeah.
Was really amazing.
It's amazing.
Hindi ko na pinagpatuloy kasi nakakatakot. Ang daming gumagapang na mga insekto.
Okay. And also you can see the stalactite. Stalagmite.
Yeah.
So our cave is you coming in the really cave because you walking down the cave and
Yeah.
so many cave in Zanzibar is collapsed because of heavy weight and it is the old one because the cave is from like 10,000 years.
Yes.
After 10,000 years the cave is collapsed. If you look here you can see the big cracking.
Yeah.
Yeah, because our cave is started to collapse. So maybe after 500 years, so the cave will go down.
But is there earthquake here?
Earthquake,
Earthquake?
tectonic in Zanzibar, there is no many earthquake. And there is no many.
Not that much.
Yeah, not much.
Okay.
Look over there, it's so beautiful.
Oh yeah. It's nice. Going
So we
inside.
just keep there. We didn't destroy the
Yeah.
features there, so we just live in nature because it is so beautiful. Also here there is a lot of fossil. You can see this fossil. Yeah, so this is a snail,
Yeah.
and also there is another creatures.
A
that we
nest.
saw the nest, the bird nest. Metal decoration.
It's like like inside the whale, like the teeth of the whale.
So we are here.
Yeah. This is the
So this is water, and we have
the cave.
lovely guests. They swimming down there.
Oh.
Hello.
It's very nice.
So
Hi. It's very nice.
So this is the sweet water,
Ah,
and it is underground water, but
Yeah.
also it's connected to the seawater.
but for sure this is very cold.
It's not very easy refreshing.
It
You
is.
can go and pass.
Yeah.
If you want
Maybe I will. Maybe I will slip. It's very nice. So guys, nagpahinga lang ako ng konti. So ngayon nandito ako sa may poolside. Ayan, maliligo ako. So ang ganda ng pool. So ayan yung lugar. Maligo muna ako kasi later magpahinga na muna. Kasi gabi na. Nakakatakot din kasi lumabas doon. Hindi natin alam. Alam mo na. So, let's go swimming. So ligo-ligo muna tayo kasi mainit at napaka-sticky. So very chlorinated yung kuha nila. Malalim ang pool. So hindi naman tayo masyadong marunong lumangoy. Kaya dito lang tayo. Masarap ang feeling ng pool. Oh, lamig. Maganda dito sa pool, dito sa inistihan ko kasi may swimming pool, tapos may bar, tapos kada Webes mayroong party. Kaya lang, yun nga, hindi ako makakatan ng party kasi Wednesday alis ako. So, ganito lang. Ang lamig na. Wow. Ang sarap ng tubig. Sarap maligo po pala. So ayan guys, I hope dito lang muna. Anyways, maliligo lang naman ako tapos matutulog na ako later on. Then bukas alis kami for another tour. So ang lamig, pasensya na. And then I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating gala today. And again, this is Travel with Jason saying, travel you can because life has no rewind. Thank you.